the way that the program for PTW focuses a lot on information architecture, communication of that information, whereas in CS you actually build the infrastructure for that information. So putting the two together has allowed me to take the best of the communication and the writing and the usability side of things into implementing them and making websites or creating applications. So I heard about the internship at Dow by attending the summer internship and career fair that SVSU offers every fall. And I actually didn't think my conversation with Dow was like that great, like it went good. And then I got an email like 2 days later, from them that said, it was great to meet you. We really liked what you had on your resume, all the stuff, you should apply. And I was like, oh, okay. So I applied that day, and then from there I ended up getting the internship. During the internship process at Dow, I did a lot of interpersonal work where I was gathering information from different people, different groups in order to complete my project. So a lot of what my team does and what I worked on this summer was communicating information about, say, different software packages. So I was able to use some of my experience from the IT realm and my minor and my previous internship to understand those concepts, and then my major to write about them. So the big project I worked on was writing out the formal process for how to update feedback on articles, how to write articles in the IT space. I think SVSU helped prepare me for the internships by pushing me to really work hard. It gave me the opportunity, especially in the PTW program and CS department, to make certain projects my own. During my internship, they basically said, here's the end goal, here's the starting point, you have to make the map to get to that point. My classes prepared me for that and gave me the space to know, okay, now I've got to go from here to here, and I made that path myself. When you make the map, I think that's what helped me the most prepare for my internship, and both of those things really played a big role in my success at my internship this summer.